Hello everyone, I'm OnyxKing and today I'm finally gonna unbox my silver play button. That's right, after 10 months of reaching 100,000 subscribers, I'm finally getting my silver play button and I am so excited. It's an honor to finally receive this wonderful gift. I'm just gonna hang this up on my wall or something. Like, I'll hang this up over there so that when the first thing I wake up in the morning, I'll see my play button as a sense of accomplishment and pride, and also to increase my egomania, my ego. Alright, let's get this started. And here it is, folks, the new version of the silver play button. Look at it. It has my name written on it. It has, well, it doesn't have my name, but it has my YouTube channel's name written on it. And this is basically the new version of the silver play button. It doesn't have the whole removable silver thing on it, but it may not be as cool as the old version, but it still looks nice. And I gladly take this achievement as a victory and as an honor. I really can thank you guys for making this all possible. So I will hang this up on my wall over there. If I do move into a YouTube office or something, I'll keep with me. It's basically just like a memory. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, be sure to check out my Facebook page, my Twitter account, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, buy that merch and all that. And stay tuned for when, coming soon, later this month or beyond, I'm going to have a Q&A session featuring the new character, Zealous. And I'll be talking about what's to come in the future and when's the next arc. So, bye-bye!